to make a website for nutrition and healthy eating plans for free using Squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create your own website for free in this platform. So let's get started. So here we can see a lot of templates, which are pre-made templates that can help us build our responsive website and our customizable website. So we can choose from one of these templates that will make the job easier for us. Just build or just change the texts and change some logos and pictures or images, and your website will be set. Or you can just go and get started with this blank template, where you can create your own website from scratch. But for me, I'm going to use one of these pre-made templates to save time, and because I'm a little bit lazy, I don't want to build a template from scratch. So here we can filter by the type of our website. So our website is in the plans and in the nutrition and healthy eating plans niche. So let's see if we can find a template that matches that. So let's see if we can find something about nutrition and health. So here we have health and beauty. I don't know if we can find a template that suits us. So this one is about personal trainer plus nutritionist with over 15 years of experience. So I think this is a portfolio. Another one for products, and this one also is for products. So let's see if we can find anything else. Dietitian, nutritionist, and yoga instructor. So I think I'm going to be using this one. Let's just scroll if you can find anything else. Build a stronger core from home. Meridian coaching, a yoga. So let's see what else we can find. This one is a new based personal chef, nutritionist, focusing on healthy eating. So I think this one is good, so I'm going to use this one. So let's click on preview to see our template, and then click on view demo sites to see the website in full width. So this is how the website looks in full width. So as you can see, can just change some things, and our website will be ready for using. So let's close this one, and let's click on start with this design, and we let them set some things up for us, and then they will request a title for our website. So you can just skip this step, or you can give it a title, and for me, I'm going to give it a title because I don't want to get mixed between my websites, because this platform allows you to create as much websites as you want. So I want to differentiate between my website. So every website, I give it the name of the niche. So I'm going to give it nutrition and healthy eating plans, and then hit continue, and then close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. And if you look to your left, you will see some sections. So I'm going to explain every section for you. So let's start with website. It's where you can adjust your pages, add new pages, and delete the ones that you already have. And then the commerce section comes, where you can add products or manage the products that you already have, or manage orders, inventory, customers, add payments and subscription plans, which for us we're in the nutrition and healthy eating plans. So we can just go here and create our subscription plan. So let's go back, and then we go to the marketing section, where you can set up your SEO appearance and your email campaigns your profiles, and so on, your meta pixels and your ad accounts. Then comes the asset library, where you save your images and your folders to use them in your design. So here you can just drag and drop files and save them in here for using on your template. Then we have analytics, when you can see your chart, you can see your revenue, your orders, your conversion rate, and your sales, traffic, geography, and a lot more. Then we come to settings, where you can change your domains and change your site availability from private to public. You can also change the site's language, and you can set your store payments, where you can set your payment processors like your PayPal account, your Stripe account, and your Square account if you are from the United States. Also, you can change the currency of your store. So let's leave it as it is, and let's go to the editing phase. So let's go back to home, and let's just click on edit, and then you wait for this page to expand to give you more space to focus on the design of your website. So as you can see, it's still loading until you see a button in here says add section, another one in here says add block. So this is it, this is the buttons that I talked about. So here we have our buttons: add section, add block. If you want to change this text, if you want to edit this section that you already have, just click on edit. You can change the background of the picture, you can change the background of this section, you can add an image or a video or art, or change the colors. You can change the colors of the background. As you can see, it's now in this color. You can change it. So you can play with all these adjustments until you find the one that meets your requirements. And here in your top right, you have the desktop view and the phone or the mobile view. Also here you have the site styles, where you can change the fonts and colors, animations, spacing, and the buttons shape if you want it round or sharp. So you can change all of that in here. So let's close this one. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview to make things easier for you to open your website on squarespace.com. So I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends or your family if you find it useful.